Today we're playing one of the worst 3DS games of all time. And when I mean worst 3DS games, I mean worst 3DS games. This game is called Bird Mania 3D. Yep. Bird Mania 3D. This game is a mobile game made for the 3DS basically. But without the obsessive microtransactions. So you might think that this game has a good score might have a good story or something like that. Yeah. But what do you do in this game? Oh, guess what? You play as a bird and you catch stars. That's all you do in this game. It's the Flappy Bird for the 3DS basically. But with better controls. And here's the story. So the story might seem good. Oh, birds that fly to the south. Continue. Each one with one exception. Mojo overswept has become the taste of our birds. On his way to Africa, it's long days, but Bird is well motivated. So, but wait, what was Mojo? So that is the story, but there's no real levels in this game, and that's the problem of this game. They have a story for this game, a set story, but you don't really actually make any progress. You don't actually ever beat the game. I can use a touchscreen. It's much more easier. I'll probably not make a playlist for this game. Because I'm only gonna play this once and never play it again. Because this game's like $2 anyways. It also made Bird Mania Christmas 3D. I read the soundtrack is good. That's the only good part about this game is the soundtrack. I remember I talked about this game in my OG Bad Games videos which I deleted. Still a bad game. Unlike most of the games, this game still sucks. Got 447. Best result is 1456. Yep, I'm gonna be playing this for 10 minutes too. Once we get the 10-minute mark, I'm done playing this. Like Sega Style, I could at least pull myself to beat that game. I hate that game, but I could still at least pull myself. Same thing of Hey Pikmin. This game is just crap. Let's avoid that bird. There we go, I ran into a tree. Heck, Angry Birds on the 3DS was much more enjoyable than this. I can see how they made Angry Birds for the 3DS because not everybody in 2012 had a phone. In 2012, having a phone was considered luxury. Now everybody has a phone. Oh, this game is so horrible. Why did I pay $2? I think this game came out 6 years ago, like 5 or 6 years ago, to play this game. Get this game. I always had some of the other really horrible games I had. I say it's the DS game. I'm going so fast. I die. Made it 2 days. I wonder what the ending to this game is. Nope, there's no ending. Just the credits and the story. And yep, because it is an arcade game, you start to begin. Remember that really horrible Bugs Bunny game for the Game Boy too. Most of now the crappy games are now relegated to your tablet and your phone now. We're 8 minutes in. This game is already getting that boring. Got a new high score. Very least, see Diva, high score. Yep, that's my favorite of the game. So yep, that's the Birdmania 3D. They also have Christmas 3D, but I'm never playing that game. So yep, there we go. It's Birdmania 3D. Say goodbye to Birdmania 3D. We'll never see you again. That's basically it. Goodbye.